Where I'm going?
Yeah. I don't want you to go outside.
What do you need? Okay, this is my cute raincoat, guys. Okay,
I know.
so I'm going outside because I want to buy what?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
And for
Ice
who?
cream
And
is
for who?
for you
For me.
only.
And only.
Only.
Maybe I'll let you lick
Okay,
a couple.
so I'm gonna spend how much for the ice
Oh
cream?
my goodness. It's 200 pesos.
200 pesos.
But it's a lot.
Kahit maulan, guys. Okay, so kaya naka-raincoat ako
We're gonna show you
because
a picture of it when
okay, so ito daw yung outfit ko. Okay. Oh, leave me alone. I'm gonna buy an ice cream na. Sobrang maulan pa, guys. Ayan.
Okay, yeah. Hurry up.
But kailangan ko
All
lang.
right, bye-bye. I might let you back in.
You're gonna lock the door. Okay. Bye for now, guys.
It's so beautiful when you do it.
Okay, so here na, guys. Here na, guys, yung ice cream na binili natin sa labas. Because naglilihi yung kasama ko. Actually, hindi naglilihi. Gustong-gusto niya talaga ng ice cream. Every night, may ice cream po. So, eto. Caramel.
You get the strawberry too?
Yes, I got the strawberry.
Oh, I'd like
2 strawberry.
no, all mine.
All yours. Okay. 2 strawberry. And then, mango.
Oh, that's good.
Okay,
That's
this.
really good.
Yan. Masarap to.
Yum, yum.
This one, guys. Sobrang sarap.
Oh, yum, yum.
Yan. Kaya, doon sa lilipatan namin, hindi namin alam kung merong mahahanap na ganitong kahit mura lang kasi. Tsaka gustong gusto niya. Ayan. Ganyan kadami. Yung nabili ko, good for how many days only?
How much?
220 or 230. Ayan, para lang sa kanya. Actually, this is mine. Okay. That's all for now, guys. Ice cream tayo kahit sa maulan na weather.